Canım sıkılacak.
Which coach are you?
That will start to be faster.
Which train is like?
This Eurostar.
It's blue one.
Yes.
Or red one?
No, yellow.
No?
It's good.
Okay. But Eurostar is
Yes, I
very
like
nice. The seats are very beautiful.
comfortable. You see?
Train conductors gifts.
Yes, I do. First, I
They are also gifts.
Yes.
What is this?
This is a chips. Just crisp. See?
More than?
Yeah, we have more.
What is this?
This is mango
white
stick sticks. Yes, that's
Fruit.
yes. Then we have this
This
Google.
also fruit for kids.
Yes, Google.
Smoothies.
And this is a biscuit. I really like this. There we have a cheese, and then we have a biscuit, and we do the all. So yummy.
This is for Eurostar.
Yeah, let's see.
Eurostar. Kids snack bag.
And there we have some more thing inside. We have colors. Because we need to look. We have this, and then you will
Open this.
Yes, you do.
Eurostar.
I can see the Eiffel Tower.
Color this Eurostar. Okay.
See there inside, you can see the Eiffel Tower here, and I can see the Netherlands flag, German.
Nice picture. Peoples for Eurostar visit and
Yes.
travel.
I have look. Then you come to Eurostar. Look, it's so comfortable. You can be easy on, and look, this is my first time I see this. And we have a shop. I don't know, a small cafeteria. Yes, and small cafeteria here.
You bought some?
Yes,
What's
one Coke and one
water?
Yes, and Sprite.
Good price?
Yes, good price. And the dustbin is so big, and it's not in the toilet. Oh my gosh. No.
No?
It's good. It's small, but it's clean, but the smell. So from me, Happy New Year. I wish you Happy New Year. So please like my video, subscribe, and share. Thank you if you subscribe, share, and like. And thank you for following. Bye.
Yes? Well, thank you very much. Thank you. It's good to straight to the Tommy. Thank you.
You're welcome. Wow. I spent.
Een hele goede avond, beste reizigers. Mijn naam is Remco en samen met Siska zijn we uw trainmanagers. En we heten u van harte welkom aan boord van deze Eurostar met bestemming Brussel-Zuid-Midi. We zullen nog stoppen voor u het Rotterdam Centraal en onze bestemming zal zijn Brussel-Zuid, Brussel-Midi. Voor een hapje en een drankje gaat u naar het Eurostar Café in de rijtuig 8 in het midden van de trein. Heeft u een vraag tijdens uw reis? Spreek ons dan gerust aan. Namens Eurostar en het bootpersoneel wens ik u een prettige reis. Good evening, dear passengers. My name is Remco, and together with Siska, we are your train managers, and we would like to welcome you on board this Eurostar service to Brussels South, Brussels Midi. We will stop for you at the stations of Rotterdam Central, and our final call will be Brussels South, Brussels Midi. For refreshment, you can visit the Eurostar Cafe in coach 8 in the middle of the train. If you have any questions during your trip, please do not hesitate to talk to us. On behalf of Eurostar and the Onboard team, I wish you a pleasant journey. Chers voyageurs, bienvenue à bord de cet café en voiture 8 au milieu du train. Pour l'occasion de rendre votre voyage, n'hésitez pas à vous adresser à nous. Au nom de Eurostar et de personnel de bord, je vous souhaite un agréable voyage.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'd say 3. Yes. Sure, fine.
Okay. Huh? Biryani. Biryani.
Bumili.
Recharging है ना?
आदि
आदि बस करो बेटा आदि बच ये आयत साफ कर आयत साफ कर
Een hele goede avond, kanjers. Op enkele ogenblikken zullen we kort stoppen op de luchthaven Schiphol. Na deze korte stop rijden wij verder naar Rotterdam Centraal. En onze bestemming Brussel, Zuid-Brussel, Midi. Maar zo is Schiphol Airport. Good evening, dear passengers. In a few moments we'll shortly be stopping at Schiphol International Airport. After this short stop, we'll continue your journey to Rotterdam Central. And our final call will be Brussels South, Brussels Midi. Chers voyageurs, dans quelques instants, nous arriverons pour un court durée en gare de Schiphol Aéroport. Après ce court durée, nous continuons vers Rotterdam Centraal et notre terminus, Brussel Midi.